Oily skin and vitamin C don't always get along, but this one does. Many vitamin C serum feel sticky, cause breakout, and irritate oily skin. That's why formula, concentration, and testing matter. Deconstruct Vitamin C Serum is formulated for all skin types. It uses a clinically tested formula that delivers results. Here's why this serum works well for oily skin. Lightweight, non-greasy texture, helps brighten dull skin, improves uneven skin tone, boosts antioxidant protection with ferulic acid. The combination of vitamin C and ferulic acid help neutralize free radicals, reduce early pigmentation, and improve skin clarity, all while being clinically tested for safety on oily skin. This means effective results with minimal irritation. Here's how to use it correctly. Apply 2 to 3 drops on clean, dry skin. Use this in the morning. Follow with a gel-based sunscreen and always start with once daily if you have sensitive or acne-prone skin. If you're looking for the best vitamin C serum in India for oily skin, this is a solid option that focuses on performance, stability, and skin safety. Product link is in the description.